Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back to the stream. I see you guys made it. Already know what time it is. It's money time. Trying to see what's good in these markets. Actually looking at a few things right now. Um, I got US 30 up. I got gold. I want to go over gold with y'all. Looking at US 30. That's what I just had up here. But depending on what she do, um, I'm just trying to watch and see what she got going on, y'all, for real. On some real shit, though. I got a small lot on her, nothing too big, but I just want to test the waters on something real quick. So I am looking at gold, right? Um, Let me put an alert in just in case I need to see what's happening while I look at gold. All right, guys, so let's look at gold real quick. Um, let's talk about it because we've been talking about gold for a while. Y'all can go back to my other videos and you can see that I have discussed with you about gold on this big dollar sign here and this big pool of money. We've been talking about this for weeks now, right? The fact that she now is down here, and this is Monday's trade. Was this Monday? No, yeah, this was Monday's trade. All right. Look where we are now. I said if she come down here, you guys will have 400 pips. Look where she at, 400 pips. All right, let me unlock it so you guys can see something. Look now how far she's come. 672 pips. All right. I told you guys, I like doing long-term trades. Why? They're more profitable to me. I feel like I don't have to be analyzing these markets all the time. I could just be in and out of these markets. Um, yeah, so I don't like to just be sitting at the desk all day. I got other things I have to do. That's 15. So yeah, so she's already down here in this pool of money. So we can go ahead and update this. These guys are out. All right. And then if we look left, you can see there was a gap right here. She is like literally prices in this gap right here. Let me make it bigger. Right here. So prices got down up in this gap. And remember, I say that price reacts off of these big insufficient price action areas, which are also known as gaps. All right. I gotta keep checking US 30. Let's look at it real quick. Did she hit my alert? Where you at? All right. She didn't hit my alert yet. Oops. So this area here was insufficient price action, and she reached up in it above these highs, taking these guys out. So that's why I'm kind of looking for a reversal, because she did go a little higher. But I'm looking to see if she could reverse back down this way. All right. Now that she's pushed up a lot, big push, big push. Now we should be getting some turnaround here. Maybe, maybe not. Depends on what DXY does. Depends on what news say. If we have news today. Just look at her. I gotta watch her because she's sneaky, yo. You know, she's real sneaky. And then on top of that, we have this insufficient price action above, and we're still in the trending up, you know. So this counter move might not play out the way I wanted to. I'm gonna bring this stop down to here. Just do like a 20 pip stop. She knocked me out 20 pips ago. Okay, I'm gonna be out. Let's just put it there. Um, let me make sure that's right. Yeah, I think she gonna be knocking me out 20 pip. Yeah, that's it. I'm out. I think I'm gonna just get out of there. All right, so I got hit on US 30, but that's fine. I already know she gonna hit it. I can feel it. All right, so moving on to back to gold. To be honest, guys, the way this is looking, let's go to the 4 hour real quick to show you. I'm looking to see if we can buy this market back up. I want to see if we can buy it back up, even though I know I see that there's liquidity below. Let me see. This liquidity here. Let me update this for you guys. All right. Let me double check. Let me just update. Because if I don't update this, then I'm gonna throw myself off. So we still got pool of money here. They haven't came and taken. And we got more money here. We got a lot of money, guys. Lots of money just sitting here. And then more money sitting here. Right? There you go. All right. And then below that, we have money sitting there. Got money here, here, here. So we might, it looks good to sell. I want to do, I don't know why I want to counter it, but I do. But at the moment, that's really low. All right, so let me go to 1 hour real quick. All right. Let's see. Can we get this market to buy up? Maybe. All right. We still have this. All right. So we got all this slippage here with them pushing down, pushing down, pushing down all week. All right. This is why I'm thinking that, we could possibly do a continue, like we could continue, but we could come back up some, grab a little bit of liquidity that's sitting up here. I gotta look left. Okay. Load the chart. Tripping. They don't want to load it for me. They don't want me to look left. But something. I mean, I could have got them in 15 minutes. All right, let's see. This is why I say I wanted to buy it up. We got news today. Slow. Come on. Okay. It's funny, like around this time, the computer want to act up. you know? Knows I want to trade. Just knows I want to trade. See? Just know I want to do it. And let me check my Wi-Fi. I really don't understand why it's not giving me. You know what? It don't even matter. You know why? Ooh, appreciate it. Oh, that's fine, bro. It's all natural. All natural. Good shit. All right. And they don't want to give me no time frame. And it looked like, so it's been raining here, storming and thunderstorming. So it looked like it might have knocked my Wi-Fi out. All right, let's see. No, we good. All right. Are we back? No, the forex factory still hasn't loaded, so I guess I'm just gonna have to wait. Anyways, I was gonna say that news is just an excuse to move markets. Okay, so I don't care what they do. I'm still gonna analyze this chart. I gotta keep reloading. I'll keep reloading. Typical shit. It's Friday. They don't want me in the move. Let's see. Let me look at gold. I mean, DXY. If they give it to me, they probably won't. All right. See, they're not even loading my charts right. So I don't know what's going on. But not a big deal. They did say some little T pieces was in here. This is why I wanted to I gotta look on a higher time frame. DXY though. Way higher. Like 4 hour. I mean the 4 hour and the dollar daily. The dollar daily. I gotta look at that. Man. Let's see. They won't give me one on, but they just won't give it to me. So with that being said, I'm just gonna look at what I got, use the information I have, and do my analysis based off of that. All right, so and it won't tell me if we got news. They still won't load Forex Factory, right? You know, things like this. They like to do stuff like this because I be kicking their ass. Like, no, for real, they're not targeting me or anything like that. I don't think that's the case, y'all. I think that well, we had a storm. It's been storming here, so the internet's out. It's weak right now, and I mean my Wi-Fi is strong enough to like serve the whole neighborhood. Literally, you go up like down a block, couple blocks, and you still have Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi will still come up. So for it to be stalling this bad at the 7 o'clock hour, I'm pretty sure like traders is just be, up at this time. Nothing is by accident. Everything is controlled. Everything. So you can take that with a grain of salt. Whatever. They taking a long time. Look how long it's taking to load my chart. All right. This is why I wanted to buy gold, because the XY is like literally moving down on the daily. Yeah, that's why I wanted to buy it. Because she hit our POIs here, here, and here. All right, we already knew that. And so now she like breached it, and then she's falling. All right, so we'll just watch and see how she's falling. This is how she's falling. Keep in mind the daily. I want her to come back up in this area, and then I would be looking for like more of her to sell down. Mm-hmm. Let's see, will they give us a news now? Yeah, we got news at 7:30. We just gonna wait. We're gonna sit here and wait. Let's be a spectator, because y'all already know gold is deep in profit, right? I gave y'all that trade Monday. Been updating you on it ever since. And it's like so far deep in profit now. I don't know. What else? What more y'all want from me? I'm trying to help you out and give you what you need so you could be successful traders, Who doesn't want to be a successful trader? This is the life. Straight up. Hey bro, you want to get that weed right there, bro? Just no. It's out there. Can you get the weed and roll the joint? Yeah. Yeah, the stuff is out there though. It's Fired Up Friday. Fired Up Friday. All right, so we do have news, like I said, at 7:30. So let's just sit back and spectate and just see what we got going with the news. I want to see what we have going on with this news. I'm not going to see it. All right. I know I be like moving these charts around a lot, because there's a lot of things that I'm trying to look and keep in mind. I have to continue to look left, right? Why? Because looking left will tell you what is going on in the future. Okay. They're going to come back to these areas in the future. So that's why I always look left. And I mark up liquidity areas and insufficient price action areas, where all of these are basically money targets. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. I'm trying to get there. And in order to get there, look what we did. Well, this is what we did. All right. So so basically, we were playing up in this area, and I told you guys to sell this. All right. Easy little sell. We're down here now. So we actually reached this week 672 from that position there. Right? So let's see. You can, like I said, put your stop in profit like 100 pips and then let the rest ride. Well, that's what I mean. Let the rest ride. And she's beyond 100 pips. She gave you 500 more pips. So, I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, but it's a good trade. All right. Let's see. What else we got? Low key, this market could drop some more. Let me see. One more time. Well, we'll have to see because to me it looks like all this bearish momentum is pushing to the downside. So much liquidity is below. So there's a strong possibility of this market continuing to the downside. Uh, there is plenty of liquidity, plenty of gaps, but we slipped. So because we slip, strong possibility of coming back up, filling up some of these areas, these gaps, right? And then tanking even more. Because we can't just fall forever. We gotta breathe. We gotta inhale, exhale, right? Same thing with the markets. Inhale, exhale. Everything is fractal. Everything. So with that being said, let's just keep marking it down. Like I want this market. I can see gold coming down for sure. Let's just update some stuff. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Cleaning this thing up. To be able to see that. All right. Losing 5 minutes, so just trying to hurry up and mark this thing real quick. All right, let's look. See what we got. 1 hour. All right, that's good. So she's playing in this insufficient price action right here, right now. This is why I said I was looking for that buy. Let's see, DXY. What was I looking for? That sell on DXY, buy on gold. Got news in 3 minutes. Let's just see what she does. Looks like she bouncing. In the buy area, like I was literally looking for a long here. Take it up. Let's see. 15 tip stop. Can we do that? She's taking up. Where is it? So it would have been like 20, like 20, like 28 pips so far. Got news in 2 minutes. News drop. Here go the news. Okay. Here we go. What are we gonna do? Push up. Nice little push up there. And then this is where I would be breaking even right now. Boom. Break even. Trade not lost. There you go. There you go. So if we come back, so what? I mean, shoot. Take your profits, guys. Let's see what DXY did. DXY failed too. So we might see DXY start coming all the way up here. I want to see gold take these guys. Did it take them? Didn't take these guys just yet. So, I don't know. Let's see. Let's keep watching. What up? What up? Let's break even. I think she might have. Did she hit my break even yet? She didn't hit my break even yet. Well, just in case she do, let's say she come back down here. If DXY continues up, I'm gonna be looking to sell this market. I'm gonna be looking to sell next, guys. Just gotta pay attention to DXY. And let's see. I'm gonna sell. And 1870. Let's try it. 1870. Let me do that. 1870 short, because they did push up first, right? All right, cool. Well, let me do a little quick 15 pin stop there, right here, and don't look like we're gonna get that. This one. So I want to sell it. She did push up, break even on that one, so maybe we can come back down this way. Let's just see. 5 minute. All right, so she did she get up there? No, she didn't get up there. That's the only thing. She didn't get up there, but fuck it. We gonna sell it anyway. Sell it. What's the price? 1870, 1869. All right. Appreciate that, man. Let's just see. Reason I changed it because of this quick push up on DXY. So they came down, they filled this insufficient price action here. So this is what makes me think that, oh, we could probably push up more on DXY, which means that gold would most likely tank a little bit more. Gold did what? Pushed up here, cleared this insufficient price action. So now it looks like we could come back down and we can clear it down below. So this is why I'm selling right now. Maybe I did, maybe I did. I mean, we're gonna try to keep selling this thing. I want to sell it. I like this wick area here. This wick action push up. Now I'm thinking that we can come down, but she's like really playing around in the zone. But that's what the 5 minute do. This is why you got to be looking at that 1 hour or that 4 hour, because it's going to bounce around a lot in that area. And what is this, a 15 pip stop? We're going to give it like, we could do 15 pip. 15 pip, not bad. All right. What you gonna do, gold? She look like she might. Yeah, she hit my stop. Fuck. And she tripping. All right. Let's see what else she gonna do. What did DXY do? Did DXY do something? Oh, it's just still in this insufficient price action. Should still pull up. Gold should still pull down. Let me see how high this went. Oops. Let me see. 5 minutes. So this is where she. How many pips did I need to move this thing? Okay. I'm not gonna give it no more if they keep pushing up any higher. I was thinking once it cleared this thing that we were gonna continue. Yeah, we still got this over here too. It's kind of a tough call because we got this over here too. Might have to just be out of this trade and then just wait on the next one. Let me see. Let's see. All right, so this shot is not looking like it's holding up, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take the L on this one because it doesn't look like it's gonna hold. And if she continues to push like I see her pushing, then I'm gonna go ahead and just reanalyze and be like, all right, well maybe the buy was it. You know what I'm saying? Like just letting her come back some, because this is the area that I was looking to play in. So maybe the buy is there now. You know. Um, okay. It's in the consolidating area, so I'm not gonna try to like jump back in because she knocked me out. That's cool. If she knocked me out, that's fine. That's what proper risk management is for, guys. You have to use proper risk management because not all the time it's gonna go in my favor. Like I said, I win a lot, but there's gonna be some times where we're gonna get hit sometimes, and you gotta be able to stomach that shit. If you don't, then this ain't the game that you should be playing. Or if you can't, this ain't the game you should be playing. All right, so I'm still seeing that I wasn't expecting DXY to, let me see. All right, let me look at DXY real quick. All right, DXY moving down, gold moving up. Yeah, go get ready to move up. A lot more. All right. She just hit me. Come get you. All right. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just buying her. That one didn't work out. She gonna go for these tops. Okay. Take her up. Shoot her now. All right. 1873. Come to play today. Let's see if we gonna. What the fuck? Yo. How? I know damn well. All right. It's straight tripping right now. Let's see. Let's see. What was I doing? All right. Play something light. Something light. I see she came down, fill the gap. Hopefully we can close on the 1 hour candle here engulfing. That'll be awesome. Finish doing this for the group. 18. Mm, 70. Actually, let's do that. All right. Sure, that's not work the way I wanted to, but we're just gonna have to see. Also, quick tip real quick about trading. You got to be able to be quick in this game. You you must make decisions fast. We don't have time to really ponder on a decision. You should have done your analysis and have a general idea of what's happening in these markets and your biases on if market doesn't go in your direction based off your analysis, right? So, like, you might see me switch from a buyer or from a seller to a buyer or buyer to a seller, right? And I'll do it real quick because of based off of price action and what she did, it's now changing my bias on the direction that I really wanted to go in. And if she hits me, maybe let's say one too many times, let's say she hit me one too many times, right? Keep knocking me out. None of my shots going, right? Then I'm going to sit back and just wait and give her some time to breathe. right? Just give her a little bit of time to breathe because she's spazzing out, right? So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna give this trade some time to breathe, you know, if it hits me again, right? I'm gonna be like, all right, cool. I'm gonna sit back and just watch the markets. It's not a big deal, guys. If you're getting hit, you should be only like getting hit like a little bit. You shouldn't be getting hit where your whole account is like being blown out like that out the water. There should be no reason for that. If you're doing that, then you need to go back to the drawing board and practice your risk management some more. You need to do your numbers again. Your numbers are wrong. They're off. Something ain't right, right? You shouldn't be blowing your account with just in a short period of time and using big lots and just over leveraging like crazy. Like that's not trading, right? You're just gambling. So it's okay if we're gonna get hit. We're gonna get hit sometimes, but that one time that we don't get hit, it's gonna be a runner. Like you seen on Monday's trade is still running. This is a still running trade. I'm trying to counter her to come up. That's it. I had an idea down here that it would come up, but then market with news came up, and I'm thinking, well, this is a liquidity grab, but really, you know, it's not. She just coming back up. She did. She just filled this insufficient price action here, closed it off with this wick, and then she fell. So look, look, let me show you this insufficient price action here, right? When the news dropped, she went up, took all this, filled this up. So I'm thinking, you know, shit, she filled it. Most likely we might go to the downside. And then now I have targets to the downside. But you got to understand my bias changed when I seen that she didn't break this low. So because she didn't break this low, I'm thinking like now I'm like, well, wait a minute. She ain't broke the low. This is now looking more of like a buy because we have these highs now. So you see how she came up into these highs. She's already taken the highs. Strong possibility of continuing. I don't know. We just have to see. We have to see. We can't sit up here and guess. We have to watch the market. It's going to give you exactly your answer. It's giving us the answers right now. All right. So we just have to wait. But because you see I got knocked out, all right, cool. I'm gonna take another shot. Boom. But I'm gonna take it in a different direction because of the based off its price action. It's looking more say of a buy now versus a sell. And then DXY, well, DXY is falling too. We have this engulfing candle on the 5-minute too, which is just, 5-minute engulfing, right? And then let's see, can we do something with 15-minute? All right, 15-minute don't really look like much, but this does look like a retracement to fall to the downside, and we do have liquidity below. So, and we are trending down here on 15-minute. Let's see what we're doing on the 1 hour. Good. 4 hour, good. Daily, good. Good, good, good. All right, so look at that daily engulfing. So this is why I wanted to, my initial thought was, I did this live for you guys. I'm not playing, was to buy. My initial thought was to buy. But I seen that she stopped me out of my buys. And it was because I should have waited to um, her to take liquidity and then just wait and see what she was going to do after that. So let's see, gold, yeah, you see how she's moving up strong, strong, strong right now, right? Like I said, all week we have been selling, so it's like strong possibility of coming back up. We got all this liquidity here too. So let's just hourly. All right. But that's why we have to use proper risk management. Just in case our shot doesn't go, then we know like, hey, we got other shots that we can take, guys. I told you I don't play like all these other people play when it comes to forex on the YouTube channel, all right, on the YouTube platform or whatever. So um, I'm gonna play a little different. I think about it a little differently. My strategy is different, but I do keep in mind like some of the same things that the other traders on here do talk about, but not like really. My mindset is like really just a little, well, maybe a lot different than theirs, but yeah, like I said, I'm a whole different type of trader. I'm here to get these shots. I'm gonna take a shot. So we're gonna see if this gonna play out. Cause I want gold to come back up. Look at all this slippage here. Lots of buyers here. Buy momentum is strong there. So I'm looking like, hey, we should be coming back up now. Let me see something over here. What happened here? All right, I just want to mark this up real quick. Okay, let me do this one. Actually, let me do this. Could have been that. Could that have been the reason? Right now, I'm just gonna literally, I'm just gonna do some research and figure out what was going on in this trade. But I have to find out like why they why did they turn around? Um, and if I can find a good enough reason, then I know this market is coming up. So let me see. Let me put a line here. And I know they're not gonna let me go back too far, but I'll just do my best. I'll just use the information they give me. All right. So all right, so that's the one out. Let's see what's on 15. Will they give me the 15? Yeah, no. It won't give me the 15. Don't want to give me the 15. All right, so what about the 30? Can I get the 30? Still going. It might give me the 30. Okay. All right. I want to see what's on the 15. The only way I'm really going to see it is if I pull up my MetaTrader 4 app. And that will definitely show me what's going on here. But I want you guys to see something. There is a little 30-minute gap there. Very small. Very, 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 very small. So if that's the case, right here, this is where it's presented at. Look at what market was doing at that time when it was coming down into it. Y'all see that? Now let's look. Let's look here. guys. That's why I say you gotta be quick. You gotta be quick. See what they're doing. What did they do before? And what they could possibly do next. All right, just want to make sure that we good over there. Yeah. All right, so market was coming down, slipping, 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 consolidated, 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 broke out, retrace, heading to the top, taking double tops, taking liquidity. They took these lows here. Those guys are out, right? Took that there, liquidity. Then we took this here, liquidity now, right? And we should be pushing up. I didn't stay with my first mind because market had did a little flippity floppity flop. But my I can always go back to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the beauty of trading. Like, if you feel like, well, maybe I was right the first time. Let me go with that. You know, my sales didn't work out. I got knocked out. Let me try to go with that. But look at what market was doing here. Okay. Look at how market pushed down into this insufficient price action from the past. The past. And we found it on a 30-minute, right? That last insufficient price action right there. It's in the 30-minute. We just saw it. So what they do? They came through, they slammed through. Actually, this would have probably like made me think low key that they were going to keep going. But let me see something. Let's see. It's a small insufficient, so you could just like take the bottom, the whole thing, and then let's see here. So you would have hit there. Look, she still came low. She came about 20, 25, 26 pips down after that. Like, you would have been looking on the lowest time frame, because 30-minute only gave you here. The lower time frame would have gave you a lower price. But again, TradingView is not allowing me to see that on here. I would only been able to see it on my MetaTrader 4. That's it. All right. So after that, I found that position. I just would have went to the hourly and just now stretch this to insufficient price actions above. So this would have been my first target here. So there is a little insufficient price action here. Just a tad bit. But we mark it anyway because we know that they're gonna go up there. And they're gonna get it. Because even if it's small, insufficient price action, it still matters. Small gaps matter. So, all right, so you got that one, this one, and then you got one up here, you know, this big pool of money up there. So I'm looking at all those spots there, guys. All of that. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. So, and you see how I found that on the, actually this would have been it. I would have taken it up here, up here, up here. And then if it keeps going, then I'll just keep dragging it. And then she'll just keep giving me profits. You know, maybe I get up here. This would be, you know, 290 pips here. From here to there is 290. From here to here is 162 pips. So yeah, and I think we're only at 15 pip stop. Yeah. So that's that. And I would just hold this trade. Depends. And just watch it and monitor it. Let's see. What I want to do. 15-minute. Yeah, see, look at that 15-minute insufficient price action. Way up here. This one actually was closed out on the 15-minute. All right, so sometimes my stream goes out, but just watch me. Like I said, if my stream goes out, ever go out, like my sound ever go out, just basically just watch what I'm doing on the chart. Just let me talk, and I'm gonna notice that my mic isn't on, or got knocked out or whatever. So, okay, let's do this. So you got a shot here, and you got a shot. We got a shot here. So we've been, you would have been loading her up, you know what I'm saying? Like, really, shot here. All right. So these are the shots. Boom, 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 right? Even if you got in late, you still would have been nice, deep in profit now. I mean, running like 20, 30 pips right now, right? On $10, that's like $300, right? On $100, that's like $3,000. So if you put $100 down, you just made $3,000. If you put a $10 down, you made $30. You put a $10 down, I mean, a $1 down, you made $30, right? And if you put a 10-cent down, you made $3. All right, so as y'all can see, all right, so this is where I'm thinking like, all right, we are going to move up because here's a shot, here's a shot, here's a shot, and this insufficient price action, and here's a shot. So I'm thinking like buys now. I was already thinking buys, but I didn't have it marked like this. I want to go into detail with you guys, right? But I had already had my mind on buys, but I was still going to try to shorter a little, you know, but I initially knew that I was like, yo, buys is there. But I'll take that hit just to make sure that I know that, like, just to make sure that I'm right initially, right? So, okay. I think TPs are hitting right now for the group. Yes, TP1 smash. Boom. Easy shmoney. TP2 just smash. Okay. So now we're just waiting on TP3 to get hit, which is a little higher. But, you guys right now from this trade right here, you're up 36 pips, So 38 actually. Actually you should be more than that. Let me just double check. Let me see how much you really up. I can show you. I can show you real quick. If you hit enter here, you're up, well, we got up 47 pips, So and she's still moving. So she's running about 47 pips right now. All right. That's easy money. I spin that shit and get it right back. Let's go. Let's play, y'all. Let's play. Let's play, y'all. Let's play. All right. So we looking good. Did we hit 50 pips? Let's see. Did we get the 50 pips on stream today? We haven't did that in a while, y'all. We haven't, like, the past week. We've been, going through some things. We couldn't get it on stream. Just got it later, Then there was sometimes I couldn't place a trade in the group. Had things going on, and then it was like markets was going crazy. It was going all over the place, setting up for the buys or something, setting up to move trend in a different direction. That's what I seen. But let's see. All right. All right, guys. You know what to do. Break even. Let's go. All right. We risk free right now. So now we should be running about 50, 60 pips. I don't know. I mean, let me check. 58 pips. 60 pips. 62 pips. I'm just gonna say we're gonna leave the Friday on a good note. We're gonna leave this week off on a good note. Feeling good, you know. Got my tea, you know, had my wake and bake. I've had my exercise already. Like, let's go. We're gonna get some fruit after this, right? Breaking the fast the right way. Let's go. 67 pips up. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hitting my targets, as you can see. Listen, I told you guys, 9 times out of 10, market will, will, tap into those insufficient price actions. They will tap into it. All right. You must know that as a trader. I don't know if like that is in your trading plan, but you might want to start adding that. All right. It's slippage, guys. It just makes sense. Like there must be balance. It must have an equilibrium in these markets, just like everything else in life, right? So if there is some type of hole, they must go and do what? Fill it, right? That's just how the market has to work. And that's just what life is about too. You know, there's some holes, we gonna fill it. You feel me? So same. Um, but in forex there is like these insufficient price actions areas that they're creating, which is like footprints in the market. That's what they have, and that's what they're creating for us to see. And this is why I can just quickly switch my bias, be like, oh, they did this, all right, cool, next move. This is chess, guys. This is chess. Sometimes I'll make a move real quick. I'll have a general direction, like I'll have a analysis on where I want to go, where I think market might go, right? And it'll totally do something else. And when it do something else, I'm peeping game on what it's doing. And I'm like, well, you just did that. I can't do what I wanted to do. I got to change it up, switch it up real quick, juke you out real fast, and then make my move. So that's the best way, I can like explain it to you. Like, you got to be flexible. You got to be able to think quick, be quick on your feet, right? So this is why we're up where we are right now. Because, I had to think quick on my feet. And then on top of that, after we got this trade, I wanted to know why we turned around here and why was we trending up here. So I went and investigated. And this is why. I explained it to you guys. So now I'm thinking, all right, we had these shots here. They were moving up. They were creating the footprints for me to see, like, okay, and telling the story. You have to learn how to read the story. If you don't learn how to read the story, how are you expecting to trade long term and be in this game long term? You ain't gonna understand what's going on. So yeah, just start practicing on the higher time frames, you know, 1 hour, 4 hour, and looking up those insufficient price action areas. This is what I want you guys to do, right? I want you to start marking these areas, these slippage areas. If you see a gap, which means that there's no wick, there's nothing there in the front of it or the back, it's just space, right? Like up here, there's just space, a slippage. There's no white, there's just black, right? There's no wicks, there's just straight solid black. Guys, that's a gap. Slippage. It's insufficient. It must be sufficient. They have to make price sufficient. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this every time. Right? Now, let's keep it moving. Ooh, double tops. I want that one. Let's see. So again, guys, you should be at break even. We hit like a nice little amount up here. We just hit 68 pips, 68 pips, guys. I mean, I'm looking for a little bit more than that. See her and see if she can run off. But guess what? That's good. That's good. I like the 1 hour engulfing too. The 1 hour engulfing looks good. I mean, we're going to see her breathe. You gotta see her breathe. She has to breathe. So what? She means she gonna retrace. That's what I mean by breathing. So don't get scared in the retracement. Our general idea and direction was self. It was. So I mean, buys. My bad. I'm sorry, guys. Was buys, right? So we got buys, 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 right? We could definitely got the buys down here, you know. But yesterday, we were selling, and we're still actually selling. These, let me check. Yes, we're still in those trades. Did not hit stop loss and profit. We're just letting it roam. It pushed nicely for you guys. Already 670 pips. You can go ahead and take profits on this trade if you want. However you want to do it. From Monday through Friday. I'm going to give you a Monday trade. So be here Monday, 7 a.m. Central Time. Right? I'm going to be here Monday. And I'm going to give you my analysis Monday. And it's going to be for the week. For the whole week. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. And it's going to be up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my ideas. Right? I'm just coming here, just expressing my ideas, guys. That's it. I'm just talking to a computer about what I see in these markets. It's up to you. I have nothing to do with it if you press that button. If you press that button when I say press that button. All right. Don't blame me if you make a lot of money. Don't blame me if you lose money. Because you press that button. You're in control. Not me. These are ideas. And I'm just expressing them. So that's pretty much it. So be here Monday, guys. You can see that this trade is still running. It's looking good. I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. I'm just going to go ahead and just tell you to just put your trade either at break even, or you can just go ahead and take profits. Right now, it's probably running a good, 40 something pips right now. So if you want to take the 40 pips, go ahead and feel free to take your 40 pips. Hell, you could have took it when it hit 60. It's up to you. You know what I'm saying? Like, You ain't gotta be like, oh, let me hold it out, see the analysis play out, you know? Like, you can, you'll be, it takes time. Like, I know it takes time. I know that if I get into a trade at the top or bottom, in order to see it like really play out, I have to give it time, like days and days and days. So I need to see a bunch of hourly candles. You see this? This is not a bunch of hourly candles where we are right now. No, I need to see up, 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 up. That's how I want to see it play out. That's how I'm envisioning this market to come up and play out, right? This is kind of enough candles from these positions here. This position here and this position here. It's not really a lot, but it's pushed up a lot. So I'm just thinking like maybe a black candle and then another white candle after that, right? Something like that. We'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I have for you today. I'm going to go ahead and get off this stream and get the rest of my day started. And I appreciate every last one of you for coming to the stream. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button. Share this video with somebody who doesn't quite understand trading but want to learn how to trade or get an idea of how to trade. If you come here and you watch my videos, you will get a whole lot of like tips and nuggets from me. I'm telling you, this is not something, the way I trade is not something that is being taught in college. It's being taught on the internet like that. It's getting a little bit more exposed as far as like institutional trading and like smart money concepts. But, you know, um, everybody's different. Everybody get their knowledge differently and they interpret it differently. So their perspectives is totally different, probably than mine. But um, you get it. You get it. It's out there though. All right. So, but yeah, I'll see you guys Monday, 7 a.m. Make sure y'all be here. All right. Y'all enjoy your weekend. Y'all be safe out there. All right. One love. Peace.